Merry Thrift-mas, everybody! It's Thriftmas in July. On the hunt, number 3 was Secondhand Tracey Ann. You've got to see what I managed to find today. I am so excited to share it with you. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Now let's get to Thriftmas in July. I went thrifting and I found some of the cutest little things. I was really pretty pleased. I went to the Treasure House, and it is a thrift store that is operated by the Rescue Mission here in Fort Wayne. And the Rescue Mission does just that. It rescues men and women who are homeless and in need, provides all kinds of services and training to help them get back on their feet. So I found not one, not two, but several items that I thought would be perfect for my home for Christmas, and I didn't mind spending the money because I knew it was going to a good cause. So I am on the hunt for some Christmas items. I am participating in Secondhand Tracey Ann's Merry Thrift-mas in July. So let's see what we can find. And it looks like they've got a whole big section. You guys know how I love pretty plates. And the first thing I see are these snowman plates. Sakura by Oneida. These are adorable. I don't know how much they cost, but we'll see. Oh, and look at this cookie jar. There. And this one's even bigger. This would be perfect on my counter in the kitchen at Christmas time. So, Oh, these are cute. Look. Naughty. That'd be me. Nice. Well, it's me too. And there's more things over here. This sign says Christmas in June, but it's actually July. So, Oh, here's another snowman. I love snowmen. Lots of stockings. This one's really cute. Oh, look at this little gingerbread plaque. It's just really cute. And you've got these little cookie cutters at the bottom. So that's adorable. This one's only $2. Really cute. Well, my problem is figuring out what to get, not whether or not there's anything to get. So let me show you some of the things that I picked up. So first of all, one of the first things that I saw was this sweet little Advent sock Santa. I have a collection of Santas, and I always like to pick up one or two more to add to it, but I'm trying not to spend quite so much. And so this one was just $3. And I thought it was so cute, and I did not have an Advent calendar, and I just like the way it looks. I mean, look at that. So he's got these cute little boots on and those little red and white socks. And then it starts down here at number 1, and then you can see where the numbers go all the way up here to 22. And then over here is 23. And over here is 24. And then, of course, you know, Santa himself comes on day 25. So this will certainly find a place of love in my home this Christmas. So I'll drape him over the chair for right now. Oh, and look at this cute little belt with this buckle. I just thought that was adorable. For $3, I couldn't resist it. Now, something else that I do like to collect are snowmen, or I should say is a snowman, and I picked this one up, and it was just $1, and I just thought it was cute. I've got a couple little snowmen that are similar to this, but I like the colors of them, like the Americana colors, the red, the whites, the blues with the little stars, a little bit of gold here and there, and It looks like here he's holding some kind of like a big muffin or something like that. And then here you've got like a little bird hanging out on one of his arms. And then down here's like a little teddy bear with another little basket of goodies or something like that. So I just thought this was too cute. And for $1, he'll make the perfect addition to my snowman collection. And then this is something else that goes with my Santa collection. Look at this. I thought it was really cute. And it's like he's a patchwork Santa. And for those of you that know me know I like to do quilting. And so I like patchwork. So there's like little patches all over him. And I do scrap quilting. So like I said, little scraps of fabric all over him. And then here are his boots and that kind of thing down there. And he's got like a little patchwork here at the bottom that he's standing on. So I just thought he was so cute. And this one was $2. So it's a perfect accompaniment. Oh, and I forgot to mention his patchwork hat. So there's that little Santa. Now here's the thing that I thought was really the most precious at the store. And that was this little collection of, it's like a nativity scene, only I thought it was carved out of wood at first, but it's not wooden carved. It's some kind of resin. But look at this. And this set was $20. And yes, that's just a little pricey, but like I said, I do know that the money goes to a good cause, and one of my family members benefited from the programs that this particular thrift house supports. So I was not opposed to spending the $20 for this. But look, it's even got like a little, like the little baby Jesus inside. And so this is the Mary. And so you can just kind of see her there. And then I believe this one is Joseph. And he's got like a little lantern or a candle there that he's holding right there. And then these are two of the wise men, or two of the kings that come to see the baby Jesus. And I just thought this whole arrangement was just too cute. I just couldn't leave it in the store. So I am so glad that I found this, and it would be perfect for me to put out at Christmas time. So let me take this opportunity to thank Secondhand Tracey Ann for hosting this collaboration. I really had a good time looking for these items, and as I said, I am thrifting with a purpose, and the purpose today was to find some things to add to my Santa collection. And I found two things to add to my Santa collection. They had some really cute snowman cookie jars, and I didn't buy those. I don't know. I might have to think about that and go back if I decide I've got a place to put them. Added to my snowman collection. And then this is the second of two nativity scenes that I now have. So I was really kind of glad to get this. And this isn't like a nativity scene per se, but it's at least on that order. So if you are not familiar with Secondhand Tracey Ann, I will link her channel below so you can check her out. You will love the things that she does over there. And I will also link the playlist so that you can see what the other creators have found. So now tell me, which one of my goodies is your favorite? Which one of the things that I found on this hunt did you like best? Tell me in the comment section below. And if you like this video, I've got a couple other Christmas in July videos that I will link below, link above, and also link below, and put them in my Christmas in July playlist. So be sure and check it out. So first of all, one of the first things that I saw was this sweet little Advent sock Santa. I have a Santa Of course, the phone rings. It's the hubby.
Jordan, Willie.
Hi, honey. I'm great. How about yourself? Well, good. Filming. How's your day going? You catching any fish? Well, that works. Slow but steady. So you bringing home dinner? Okay. All right. I get that. Well, thank you, honey. I appreciate that. I love you too. Bye. Well, out fishing today, and he always calls me while he's out. He says I bring him luck. So if the fishing is slow, or rather, if I should say, if the catching is slow, he'll give me a call, and then things tend to pick up. So now that I've had the phone call, let's get back at it. All right, so the first thing I saw was, and just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.